All right, so this video is going to be on the large intestines, also known as the colon. So they look very different from the small intestines. First of all, we have these kind of lumpy pouches. Each one is a haustrum, and so the plural of that is haustra. And then running down the sides, between the haustra here, actually creating the haustra by gathering them together is this. This is called the tinea coli. Okay, this band right here. Sometimes you'll see little fat droplets hanging off of that. Okay, right here is where the small intestine meets the large intestine. And in the small intestine video, I pointed out this. This is the ileum, cecal, because this part is the cecum, valve. So this cup is the cecum. Here is the ileum. So this part right here where we're transitioning is the ileocecal valve. Okay, also hanging off the bottom of the cecum, you have this. This is the vermiform appendix. You just heard it called your appendix for short. Okay, so those are some of the major features. Notice that the colon goes up the right side and then bends and then goes across. So we're going to name this part the ascending colon. All right, then we're going to go across the abdomen. So this is going to be called the transverse colon. And then we're going to come down the other side. So this is the descending colon. And this is where it kind of gets a little iffy. It has to make an S turn. This S turn here is called the sigmoid colon. And then we finish the sigmoid colon. We enter the rectum, which is a feces storage area. And then we're going to start going through the anus. Now, this model is not great at showing you the internal structure, so I'm going to take you over to this flat model. We lost the sigmoid colon, and we can kind of see what's going on in the rectum. So from here down is rectum, and then notice right in here, these are the columns, the anal columns, that are going to show you where we're going to begin the anal sphincters. So there's two sphincters. There's an internal sphincter, and so this inner muscle layer right here would be for the internal anal sphincter, and then this muscle here and here on the outsides would be for the external anal sphincter, and then this would be the anus itself, the opening itself. All right, so those are all the features you need to know on the large intestine.